All right, we're good. I gotta check the volume here because I changed some settings. All right, I think we're good. All right, so I want to look at some crypto trades. You know what? Actually, I need to send... I meant to send some more funds to this account. All right, I want to put on the other playlist. All right. So I saw that Bitcoin was rallying, so I wanted to jump over here and look for some scalps. NQ is also rallying. So let's see if there's anything good to trade. I'm going to try to send myself some coins. So let's see how the portfolio is doing though. Okay, so if you can hear that, that is NQ right now. I'm going to go ahead and put on some music though, so we don't have to listen to that. How about that? Or we'll have both. Okay. All right, we're good. So I want to see what's going on here. Okay, so we're rallying. How's my positions? Pretty much almost back to break even on the link trade. And oh, is it showing the wrong? It's showing the wrong window here. Okay. Here we go. Smart trades, and then I accidentally took away trading view. I'm just doing it live, so it takes me a second. There we go. I think it's just going to take it a second to find it. I can switch to my trading journal and maybe I'll do it quicker. Let's see. There we go. All right. We're good. Okay, so Bitcoin is rallying, and I want to find some alts and see if there's any good plays. So checking briefly on my portfolio already. How are the grid bots doing? Grid bots are botting. Okay. Still slightly down, but they're doing their thing. Here's ETH. ETH, I had closed off the bottom part of the range, so it wouldn't buy anymore. So we need to get all the way back up to 2,000 before it starts selling. And then XRP. Okay, XRP is botting away. It just hit one sell. Okay, so I'm going to smart trade. Let's look at some alts. I'm going to just go down the list real quick. Okay, so Fartcoin, of course, is moving the most. Farcoin, Maker, Pepe, Link. Looks pretty clean price action, to be honest. The breakout would have been nice. I might have caught it a little late, but I think it could keep going. Maybe finding the right coin. So I need to send this. I'm trying to figure out. I accidentally deleted something. I need to send money to this exchange. Okay, I'm back. We got it. Oh, shoot. I didn't want it. Oh, man. It opens on... I have the Chrome browsers linked. Oh, my God. I can't do it right now. Okay, I'm just going to set up the trade. I can't log in while I'm on my same Chrome profile. Good to know. I don't want you guys to see all my login stuff. Okay, so NASDAQ is still pushing up, and Bitcoin. Where did Bitcoin go? Here's Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin right alongside, so maybe I could paper trade it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. It's new trading style for me with crypto, so I'm going to switch to a demo account. Okay. And we're going to start demo of scalping, day trading. And I'll just I'm going to set a timer for myself for like the next hour. If I don't get anything, I'm going to get off. So let's just start looking through charts. And I'll start getting orders ready. If there's any quick moves, I'm going to be looking for a few percent or so and see if I see how they go. I mean, really more than a few percent would be good, but I haven't traded alts at a low time frame since peak bull market. So yeah, it literally trades like that. Oh my God, don't do this to me. I have to remove MetaMask plugin. It's going to keep opening it because I'm not logged in. It wants me to log in. I had to turn it off. Okay. I am watching I'm watching NQ also right now. Let's see. Where's NQ? Okay, so I'm going to smart trade. And we're ready to go. We're on a demo, so let's demo trade it up. And then I'm thinking about longing. Longing NQ. I might have just missed it. Crow. It's so funny to look at these at the 5 minute. I like this chart. Yeah, there might have been a better entry down here. It's kind of like a 1-to-1R, like these previous highs right here. 6%. And then maybe hold a runner. I like it. Something like this. Oh my god. Okay. 5-minute chart is crazy. Look how thin that is. That's hilarious. Okay, so I'm going to paper trade this one. I'm going to try to get I'm going to look for 2 fills. One retesting down here at 10, 143. Okay, so let me pull it up here. So I'm on smart trades. We're going to trade versus USDT or whatever. We're on the demo account, so it should have stuff. Oh, it has ETH. Okay, so I want to, this is a demo account. Let's sell off all of our stuff. We're going to go to USDT. So I'm going to sell off all the BTC. But you know what? There should be I think there's somewhere to liquidate everything. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to good practice, dashboard. And where's the liquidate? My portfolio, maybe? Control center? I'm just going to see if I can find it. Oh, here we go. Maybe here. Nope. Okay, whatever. I'm going to liquidate it manually. BTC. Buy, sell. Max. Oh, wait, no, that's buy. Where's sell here? Max. Boom. Okay, so now there's some USDT to trade with. I want to go ahead and sell off the Solana too. Oh no, I thought there was Sol. What was it? ETH. There we go. There is ETH. Man, NQ still pumping. I should have bought it. I missed a few good entries. So we're going to sell off all this ETH. Okay, we got a bunch of USDT now. And I'm looking at Crow. No Crow on the demo account. So I can't take this trade in demo. I only have I could take it with the little money I do have. But let's look at the other alts real quick. We'll come back to it. XRP. Man, NQ's just pumping without me right now. Yo, what up, Fat Citizen? How's it going, man? Dude, are you long? Dude, NQ's just pumping. Look at this. I was trying to get in on these on some 2-minute or on the 1-minute chart, wicking into the, which EMA is it? Let me see. 20 EMA, 9 and 20, but it had these touches of the 20 were just perfect buys each time. Just trying to scalp it using NQ. Nope, I was reading the report when I came home and was like, yep. Yep, I read the report first thing in the morning. Man, okay. A lot of trading happening right now. Let's see. Some big orders. Someone bought ES. But yeah, I'm not long, so I keep missing it. But I'm checking out crypto. So BTC is rallying. And let's see. I think some alts could keep moving, so. ETH. ETH BTC, look at that. ETH is outperforming BTC. So that's exactly why I wanted to trade alts. Maybe I just trade ETH. Let's see Solana. Man, look at this. I would do Solana. Let's see on the daily. And along with that 156, there's 68, 65, 40 lots all sold right around it. I might get in this long. We just tested these EMAs on NQ. Okay, so Crow, I like Crow. Let's see, Floki, Lido. I'm going to put him on the hourly. Let's see if that helps me. NQ breaking out. I'm long NQ right now. Okay, well, I want to catch those moves on these alts too. So, Crow. But yeah, this is not a... I would need leverage to day trade this, man. I'm going to take it, though. I'm going to take it. I don't even have barely any funds left in my account, though. Let's see. Going back to the non-demo. I just don't think I have barely any funds in here. So when I get off stream, I'm going to send some more funds here. What do I have available? All right, so I'm going to put on Crow. USD. I know I had some USD. 32% USD. So I know I have some USD. Wow, okay, it's really coming down. Still selling. Is that crazy loud? Oh, I have my computer audio off. Okay, you can't even hear that. I can turn it up a little bit.
Bye.
Oh yeah, it is super loud, huh? I have some music going and I have my trade alerts. So I guess I should turn up the music and turn down the trade alerts. I thought I was playing the music the whole time. So I just want to take this trade though for like for practice, trade stats. I only have 83 bucks left in this unless I change one of my grid bots. So I'll do it on the XBT.
Trade NQM 5CME at BMD cell 152.
Edit. Continue edit. Customize. And I'm just going to bring up that to there. No, I'm going to have to cancel. Can I cancel? I'm just going to hit back. Let's see what happens. Okay. Back to GridBot. I'm trying to free up some money from this. So I'm going to go to the BTC position. Hit edit. And I want to see how much is it per step. So I want to have it be in sell orders 0.0098778. And none in. Okay. Oh, there you go. Good enough. There we go. We got it. Something went wrong. I think it's good. It's applying the changes. So there we go. I freed up some capital and hedged off some of this, like, so it won't rebuy Bitcoin. Instead, we're going to put that in this alt trade. So now I'm going to go to smart trade and go to Crow and jump in this puppy. So TP1 is
Large sell.
10,864.
AMD sell 116.
So I'm going to do 50% of the trade there, 5%. Stop loss is just below these lows, so that's going to be at 0.9722. 22. And add that TP for 50%. Second target is at 0.11336. For 40%. Yo, what up, Mr. George? Yeah, I'm on crypto. I'm still trading NQ. I just got one good trade in. I don't have a way to queue it up real quick.
Large buy.
But it was on Ninja Trader. So I'm going to set this other target for 40%, add TP. And then my final one's going to be a runner. So I'm going to say trailing take profit for the last target. And that is going to be at this breakout. I don't know, 0.1232. So that's in cents, whatever that's in dollars. So that's 20%. And I'll start trailing with the 5%. And no, let's trail it with a 2% deviation. Or 3. Okay, mark it in, max. So that's risking 25 if we lose. Okay, create trade. Oh, we have to add this last TP. There we go. Okay. Boom. Scalping. Day trading crypto. Sweet, we're in Crow.
Sell.
Buying this. So it already had gotten away from me a little bit. Okay, so NQ just dumped. You're done for the day. Lost an account and shut it down, Mr. George. And it just traded that one account. Was that a amount too small? Okay. Let me make sure we got in that trade. Yep, we are in it. So I just alled in. I was thinking about doing 2 entries, but I just didn't have enough capital to really make it worth it. I'm risking 25 bucks on it. So here are my 2 positions right now. Yeah, you just traded 1. Nice. I traded at like 10. I'm trying to shake it up and change up some of my trading and not get stuck. Not feel limited. So I'm going to watch this trade for a little bit, and let's watch Bitcoin. CRO. So this is what that trade looks like on the daily, to put it in better perspective. Sweet. Alright, I gotta like my own stream. If you guys are here chilling, hit that like button. I know you guys are just the homies here. I don't like to ask too much from you. So how are the Nova levels playing out so far today? I should still have it on my computer somewhere. Let's see. Yep, here it is. Bullish continuation, scenario 1, breaking 1904. I'm sorry, 19400, which we definitely did. 19400. Continuation, pays way towards 19600, which we tapped. And an I at 19722. Okay. So bullish scenario played out. So here's my trade. Going to the 1 hour. I want to look at Bitcoin chart. So with like, I had to do the classic like juggle around. Like, where am I going to get my funds from? I don't have it. So right now I only have this one exchange linked, but that's the good thing about 3commas is that I can trade, I can make my trade and have it set up and take it on any of my exchanges. So, but right now I just have Kraken. So, and I like to spread out my funds with crypto. I don't like to have it all in one place. So it's perfect for that. And where's the BTC chart? Oh, here we go. Boom. Okay. So let's put BTC back on like the 15-minute or something. All right. Well, so here's my trade. Right here, actually. So we got a trade on. First day trade on the new channel. Live money. My stop loss is literally minus like $5. But we want to see Bitcoin continue to break out pretty much, and I think this could pop. I'm going to keep looking at NQ. We're selling off here a little bit. So any news today? We have, we already had all the big news, so I think we're in the clear right now for a move, for a directional move. News has settled. We're at during lunch, middle of lunch right now. Oh, so overall the market though is bullish. 4-hour chart is bullish. 1-hour chart is retesting right now the break. I had this range this morning on NQ right here, and we can see we broke out of it and made a pretty big bullish momentum move up here with a lot of momentum. 495 to 627, really all the way up to like 640. So that's pretty big. 100-point plus move on NQ. Markets are bullish. We have a pretty good gap up here. Not a gap really, but we had this huge sell-off candle, and we're now just trading back into that. So I could definitely see this continue up. So I'm looking for longs in NQ, and Bitcoin is following as well. Let's go down to the 15-minute. So 15-minute is testing a bull div. Not really, not how I like it. Okay, so it is testing the EMA, so on the 15-minute here. So I'm going to see how that is. EMAs are kind of flattened out. Potential buy area. One minute is still selling off. So let's see how Bitcoin's responding to that on the lower time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute. I have to switch now to thinking percentages with Bitcoin compared to points. Oh, I don't know why I put a short on there. Don't short. Nice, what's up? We got 6 people on. Appreciate if everyone helps me out with the new channel and hits the like button. So for anyone here, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Luna's Lounge public lobby to you. I don't know if this only works for one person or not. But here's an invite. Let's see how this works. Special for you guys coming over here and chilling. So that is just to get into the lobby. Oops. Bitcoin's making higher highs, higher lows. I would be on the lookout for the next higher low though. Could see this really taking its dang time. So maybe a better trade for me would be like waiting for a bounce, like some sort of, oh, why am I drawing that again? 3-bar reversal type of thing at the bottom of this. A div. Finding another bottom. Maybe that will be the best time to take one of the scalps. But for now, we kind of breaking out. This is a... This chart, all these big boxes on here are really for the higher time frame, but we dipped into this area. We can call it liquidity zone. I'm comfortable with calling it that. And discretionarily drawn, and now we're holding above. So I guess this lower low is where I'd want my stop loss on any trade right now. And so a lot of times with crypto, I'll do multiple entries. So in this situation, I'd maybe set 3 entries and want to get in a little bit right now. Like, okay, I want to get in this trade. I'm bullish, and then maybe set my other 3 entries like that. But instead, I'm just long crow, putting all my exposure on one altcoin, and hope it works out. So link to my Discord is in the chat. All right, so this trade is positioned. I'll be back on later tonight and check this out. I'm curious to see. I'm going to kind of paper trade this one as well here. So maybe I'll put that on the demo account real quick so I can paper trade it. Okay, NQ came all the way down to almost hitting 500, 19,500. Bitcoin's holding strong. Okay, so I'm gonna paper trade this Bitcoin trade. So USDT, BTC. This is on the demo account, and this is what I want. So coming down to smart trade, take profit, set stop loss. So we're gonna market buy with everything I got. Whatever, fine, not everything. 100,000. This is demo. 100,000, and then take profit. I would saying up here. Okay, we're gonna do one here. 668. $86,668. I'm just gonna take off a little bit. Actually, like half, 50. And then I'm gonna take off 40%. At whatever, 88989 979. 40%, and then 10%. I'm gonna have trail once we come up to like 790, 90,000, 790. We're still selling 790 with a trailing. Add TP, and then I'm gonna add the stop order, which is gonna be at 82,000. 392.
Buy.
392. All right. Risking, so with using 100,000, this is would lose 5,300 bucks. I don't know why it's that much. Shouldn't it be less? I guess I don't have my chart drawn out exactly right. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Create trade. So paper trades. Oh, the one thing I didn't do. Dang it. I didn't do something. I want to close it. Or whatever. I'm just going to reduce. I accidentally did something. I want to reduce it by 30%. So that's 0.35. Oh, I should have just reduced it by the full amount I want it. 60%. Duh. Oh, we're doing it in parts. And I'm going to reduce again.
Sell.
Because I forgot that I want to enter multiple spots here, so. Okay, I'm going to reduce funds. 0.35. Right. There we go. Okay, now we reduce it how I really want it. Man, NQ's back at yesterday's high. How's Bitcoin holding to that? I might want to short this. I short at NQ. I got in at 117. Yeah, 19,517, yeah. So how's the NQ reacting with this sell-off? Yeah, it's dragging it down a little bit. Just a little bit, though. Not as bad. I'm watching my short. I probably want to just close it out at break even. I might close it out. Oh, so now what I wanted to do was, sorry, I got distracted by NQ. I'm still watching it. I want to do the multiple ads on this Bitcoin trade. I did multiple TPs, but I forgot to do my multiple ads. So what was that on the 15-minute? So I'm going to do one ad at 166. 84,166. Add funds. Yo, what up, Spaz Trick? I want to add them on limit order. Oh, here it is. Limit. 84. What did I say? Down right here. 84,166. How's it going, Spaz? How's your trading been? How's your day today? Okay. NQ bounce good at yesterday's high. Okay, so I'm gonna add 33,000 at that limit price, 84,166. Save, and then I'm gonna add at 178, 83,178. Add funds. Limit 83,178. 33,000. All right, there. Now I did it how I actually wanted to do it. It didn't save my last chart we had up. I accidentally had gotten off the screen, so I didn't save it. So there's that Bitcoin long. 3 entries, stop loss, which is not in the right place. The stop loss, where did I put it? 80,392. Okay, no, I want that one at 82,459. So I'm going to edit that one more time. Stop loss 82,459. There. That's why I knew it was risking too much before, but 82,459. Okay. Save changes and we're good to go. So that trade's just rolling with all those parameters set into it. You took your 200 bucks and ran? Nice, dude. I'm practicing that. So I got like 20 Apex accounts and I'm practicing just trading fully discretionary, scalping, trying to take my money and running. Okay, so that was in that demo account, but we can go back to the real account. All right, so Crow is up.
Large buy.
NQ is bounced hard. Really bounced hard at yesterday's high.
Large buy.
I need to get better with my stop losses with my scalps. You took your 200 bucks. How many trades was it? In smaller size or bigger size?
Buy.
What was it? 5 lots, 1 point. 10 lots, 1 point. You were down 1,300. Wow. And you dug it back in one account. Yep, the break of IB was really clean, and I missed it. I tried to fill it on an account that was already blown, and I didn't know it, and then I just didn't take it. It was blown on the first, on the, here's the IB right here. So London IB here. I don't know how I got such a big L on that. We broke out. I guess I got long late on this retest here of the EMAs. I don't remember now. I'm going to have to double back and look at that.
Large sell.
I want to see Bitcoin keep up. Get above 85,500. I am long crow. I hate this. All my charts turn to crow here. That one's supposed to be ETH. This one's supposed to be Solana. Or Link, actually. Whatever. I'll put this one as Link. This one is Crow. This one, I was interested in Doge. Even though it looks sketchy. That's why I liked it. What else did I have on here? LTC. So you can see today, what I did was I reduced the position size in my grid bots right here. So we have my ETH hedge, my BTC grid bot, and my XRP. I reduced the position size of the BTC one. I took some of that money, and I think I had $700 more in there, or more, 900. And I don't actually remember right now. 500 more. I took out $500 from that and made it so it wouldn't buy back in. So I'm pulling up the grid bot. Now you can see that it's only set to be selling and rebuying in this zone. It won't rebuy down here because I'm hoping we don't dip. I'm hoping this is a rally. Otherwise, I'd rather be hedging out of my position than buying back in. So that's why I closed that off, and I'm assigning that risk now to an altcoin trade. If I go to smart trade. So I sold that off, managed the position, managed the grid bot sizing, and then I put it on in Crow, which is up 1%. So I'm seeing that, I'm expecting certain things, like I was seeing Ethereum outcompeting Bitcoin, and I wanted to put it on risk in alts, and so I put it on Crow, which is right here. So, which I wish the trade was on here. Where did we get filled? At 10.27, yep, right there. Stop loss is at the bottom of the range. TP1 is at 10.864. Right there. There it is. And I can just look at that right here too. Got caught in the opening. Yeah, so I got caught in the opening chop too. I just wanted to be cute and try to trade. And I traded the news today. $16 each time for one of those Apex accounts. All right, well, maybe I'm just going to...
Sell.
I'm going to listen to different stuff, I guess. I'm going to listen to my own music and mute my computer. Out. No, I didn't phase it out or anything. Just out of there. Boom. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to be letting this trade play out. I'm going to put this down to see more movement on it on the 5 minute. It might actually look better on the hourly. Let's see the 15 minute. $30-minute. $25K or $50K accounts. Mine were the $50K. With the Apex. I think they were like $17 or whatever. I got 90% off. So I'm still watching NQ right now. I'm just gonna let this trade go, but it might take a while. So I could potentially. It's 1 o'clock. We got through lunch. I entered a trade, so I could actually just zero back in on this tonight when I check my accounts for my nightly stream. And it's flash sales. So Rips had one. I forget when last week. Rips had one last week. Friday, I think. Oh, well, I'm going to put on my own music or something. Let's see. All right, so I'm just watching this trade. I really just want to see Bitcoin keep strength. There's not really anything to do to manage it, though, because I've got all set. It's all set up here with 3 commas. I got my stop loss on. I got my TPs. I even got trailing TP. So I'm watching NQ. Looking back at Bitcoin. Word, well, I guess I'm going to end it here. It's 1. I'm going to call it good. I got a lot of scalps in this morning and practicing trading discretionary. And then I have my first lower time frame trade in 3 commas on CRO. And looking at this Bitcoin relief we're getting today to continue at least through the rest of the day and see if that can create a scalp opportunity in CRO. And Ethereum's doing really well. So let's just see if we can keep this going. Ethereum, I'm looking to go to 2,000. So looking good. And I'll check back in on these trades tonight. and just let them roll for now. And I guess I'm gonna go to the gym and get some lunch and go chill. Yeah, no flash sale today. The flash sales get me sometimes though, when I'm like, I'm not gonna buy any more accounts, and then I'm like, oh, it's a deal. But you can do 3commas for free for a month. I can also get some giveaways coming soon to have a pro account. Oh, that didn't work. Well, NQ selling back off. Let's look at NQ, and then before I get off, because now I'm looking at this. I don't think I'm going to get a buy up. I should probably just get out. It's 1. If anything, I'll come back during power hour. All right. Well, I'm watching NQ. I don't have any major reads or anything, so I don't think I'm going to get any more trades there. I'm going to let these trades play out. I'm going to force myself to get off. I want to keep trading, but I want to force myself off, let these trades play out. We're in CRO and a Bitcoin trade in the demo account, and that's going to be it. So what's the exposure level? We're almost back at break even. I'm exposed 70%, 72%. So a lot of exposure. I am interested to put some more money on this, so maybe I'll try to do that once I get off stream here in a second. All right, guys, take it easy. Yep, that's it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to do. All right, that's going to do it. All right, good luck everyone today, and stay safe, manage your risk, and I will be back on this evening. Maybe I'll even be back for power hour because I kind of feel like just trading all day today, but maybe not. I'm going to go to the gym and see if I get back in time. All right, so take it easy, guys. Peace out. See ya. All right, good luck. Peace out, Mr. George. I'll be on the Discord. I think I'm actually going to keep trading for a little bit, so. All right, see you guys.